Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ask for directions in English. First of all, let's have a look at the conversations between two friends about asking for directions. Coco's Language Club.
Hey Coco,
Hi.
what do you do when you get lost in a town or city?
Well, when I get lost, the first thing I do is to take out my phone and go to the Google Maps application.
What if your phone is dead or simply a lack of reception?
Well, in that case, I think I will ask the locals first. Occasionally, normal passerby can give me vague information, but to be sure of that, I will approach any traffic police if it's possible.
Can you also tell us how to ask for directions when you get lost in a place, please, Coco?
Of course. Coco's Language Club. How many of you are in the same situation as me? Don't worry, today I'm going to show you how to ask for directions. First of all, it is vital that you always approach a stranger with a simple "excuse me" or "sorry" before doing so. An immediate "hello," "hi," or "can I ask you a question" might actually push people away, as these expressions are pretty straightforward. There are also some useful phrases you can throw in after saying "excuse me" or "sorry," like "excuse me, I'm very sorry to bother you." Or you can say, "I'm sorry, I'm kind of lost." Or you can also say, "Sorry, I'm struggling to find my way around the map." If you are looking for the specific places, you can say, "I'm looking for the British Museum. Do you know how to get there?" There's also another way to say, "Do you know where the nearest KFC is?" The third one, you can say, "How do I get to the London Bridge from here?" When you use this phrase, the other person will either tell you which mode of transport to take or will explain to you the route. The fourth, "Could you please tell me the nearest Starbucks from here?" This is a very polite way to ask for directions. And the final one, you can say, "What is the easiest way to get to the nearest Starbucks from here?" If you are looking for general places, you can use the following phrases. For example, the first one, "I'm looking for a nice place to have coffee. Do you know of a cafe nearby?" The second one, "Can you point me to the nearest gas station, please?" The third one, "Can you give me the quick directions to the nearest shopping mall, please?" And the final one, you can say, "Is there a bank near here?" Or you can say, "Are there any bank in this area?" And the bus stop is a great place to practice your English. All you have to do is to ask. First one, "Which bus goes to the London Bridge?" Second one, "Where do I catch the bus to the University of London?" That's all for today. So in the next video, we're going to show you how to give directions. See you next time.